Hello students, yesterday we have learnt about prime factor methods, how to calculate HCF by prime factor method of two numbers. Today we will learn prime factor method to find HCF of three numbers. Example 60, 12 and 36. As we have written two numbers simultaneously, like that we will write three numbers simultaneously: 60, 12 and 36. So for this also we have to find the number to write here such that it should divide all these numbers. So check, we will start with 2. 60 is divisible by 2, yes. 12 is divisible by 2, yes. 36 is divisible by 2, yes. So for all these three numbers we can take here 2. Below 60 what should be written? 60 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 0. So here we will write 30. Below 12 what should it be written? 12 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So here we will write 6. 36 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 1, 16 it will be, so 8. So here will be 18. Now numbers are 30, 6 and 18. Now for these three numbers also we have to write here a common number. This number is divisible by 2, yes. This also divisible by 2 and this also divisible by 2. So for these three numbers we can take here 2. What should be written here below 30? 30 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 will remain. This number is 1, 0, 10. So 5 are. It will be 15. Below 6 what should be written? 6 divided by 2. It will be 3. And below 18, 18 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 nines are 18. Here will be 9. Now what we got? 15, 3 and 9. Now all these three numbers are not coming in 2's table. So we have to go to next. We will check with 3. 15 is divisible by 3. Yes. 3 is divisible by 3. Yes. 9 is divisible by 3. Yes. So for all these three numbers, instead of 2, now we will take 3. Below 15 what should be written? 15 divided by 3. 1, 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15. Here will be 5. Below 3 what should be written? 3 divided by 3, 1. And below 9, 9 divided by 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So here will be 3. Now observe these numbers 5, 1, 3. So for this three numbers, can we write here a common number? No, because out of this 5 and 3 are prime numbers. So they will not come in anybody's table. So here any number is not possible. So what are the common factors? Are only these. So HCF of 60, 12 and 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. That will be 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So HCF is 12. Next example is 40, 60 and 75. Simultaneously write 40, 60, 75. So start with 2. This number is divisible by 2. This number is divisible by 2. But this number at the unit place 5 is present. So this number is not divisible by 2. So here we can't take 2 because it is not coming here or it is not divisible by this number. So we have to go to next number, check for 3. 4 plus 0, 4. This number is not divisible by 3. 6 plus 0 6, it is divisible by 3. 7 plus 5 12, it is divisible by 3, but this number is not. So here 3 also we can't take. Now go for 4. It is divisible by 4. 60, this is also divisible by 4, but this number is not divisible by 4. So here 4 also we can't take. Now go to next number 5. Here 0 is present, so here 5 we can 5 is divisible by, here 0 is present, so this number is divisible by 5. Here also 0 is present at the unit place, so this number also divisible by 5, and here 5 is present, so this number is divisible by 5. So here what common factor we can take? 5. So now here what should be written? 40 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 8s are 40. So here will be 8. Below 60 what should be written? 60 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. First digit is 6. So we can take 5 ones are. 6 minus 5 is 1. So this number will come now 1 0 10. So 5 2s are 10. So here will be 12. 75. Below that what should be written? 75 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. Here is 7. So 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. So it will be 2 5 25. So 5 5s are 25. So here will be 15. So after this numbers are 8, 12, 15. So any common number we can write for these three numbers. 2 is not possible, 3 is not possible, 5 is also not possible, 7 also no. If we check, any common factor is not possible for these three numbers. So our answer is finished here. What is common factor? Just 5. So HCF of 60, 40 and 75 will be just 5. Next example is 16 and 27. So write 16 and 27. Check. Start with 2. It is divisible by 2, but this is not. So with 2 we can't take. 3. This number is not divisible by 3. So 3 also we can't take. Next check for 5, 6, 7, 11. Any number is not coming common here. So here only common factor is 1. So HCF of these numbers is 1. Next example is 18, 32 and 48. Write simultaneously. It is divisible by 2. This is also divisible by 2 and this is also divisible by 2. So take here 2 as a common factor. Here what should be written? 18 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. So 9 is here. 32. Below that what should be written? 32 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. First digit is 3. So we can take 1. 2 ones are 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Number is 1 to 12. So 2 6 are 12. So here will be 16. Below 48. 48 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. And 2 fours are 8. 24. So here will be 24. Now numbers are 9, 16 and 24. So after this, for these three numbers, we can't write any common number. You can check. 2 is not possible because here is 9. 3, here is 16. It is not divisible by 3. So it is not having 3 as a common factor. 5, no. Like that, just if you will go on, no any common factor you will get here. So only common factor is 2. So HCF is just 2. Next question is 105 and 154. Write them simultaneously. Common factor for these two numbers we will check. Start with 2. Here is 5. So we can't take 2 as a common factor because this number is not divisible by 2. Check for 3. 5 plus 1, 6. This number is divisible by 3. Now this we will check. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 4, 10. So addition is 10 of digits. So this number is not divisible by 3. 3 we can't take. Now move for 5. Here this number is divisible by 5, but this not. Then move for 7. We will check for 7. 105 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. First digit is 0. It is smaller than 7. So next also we have to consider 10. Just 2 digits we will consider. Now number is 10. It is bigger than 7. Count up to 10. 7 ones are 7. Ones are. So 10 minus 7, 3. Number is 3, 5, 35. So it will be 7 5s are. So here will be 15. Now for 154 we will check it is divisible by 7 or not. 7 ones are 7. First digit is 1. So consider next digit also. Number is 15 now. Count up to 15. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. So 2s are. 15 minus 14, 1. So 1 will come here. So 1, 4, 14. So 7 2s are 14. Here will be 22. So here we can take 7 as a common factor. Now for 15 and 22, any common factor is not present. So our answer is 7 only. Common factor is just 7. So HCF of these two numbers is 7. So from your practice sheet 12, first 6 question I have solved. Next 4 questions you have to solve in your notebook from question number 1.